Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sangeeta's Cakes and More. So these are winter days and Christmas is about to come. I have brought a very nice cake recipe for you, and this is a spicy crunchy apple cake. So let's start with the recipe and I'll tell you the ingredients. So let's start it. So as this is a spices cake, I am taking 1 cup of flour. And here I am taking half a cup of brown sugar and 1/3 cup of normal sugar. You can even avoid brown sugar, but it tastes good and the color changes with this brown sugar. Now I am taking 1 apple. It should be a bigger size of apple, and I will grate it later on. 3 eggs and few of my spices. Here are the spices. This is cinnamon, nutmeg. Here it is nutmeg. I have already grated it for you. And clove. 4 cloves I am taking. I'll grate them or I'll crush them nicely in mortar. And then I have taken fresh ginger. You can take ginger powder also. This is my 1/3 cup of oil. I am taking vegetable oil and 1 full spoon of baking powder. I'll be taking vanilla essence, and I have taken pistachio as my nuts for it to give a crunch to the cake. So this is a handful of pistachio nuts. You can take almonds or walnuts also. You can add raisins also to this flavor. So first of all, let's start mixing our dry ingredients. I have taken flour, my spices in it. I will add all my dry ingredients to it. Now I will add my crushed cloves. I have crushed my both sugars together. You can use them as it is also, but I use it after crushing. Then I'll add my clove powder. We had taken 4 to 5 cloves for this measurement. Finally, I am adding my baking powder to it, and I'll stir it well. Now after adding all my dry ingredients, I'll add my wet ingredients in another pot. Let's start adding our wet ingredients. Oil. I'll add my eggs. I have blended my eggs. Then I'll add 1 spoon of vanilla essence. And my grated wet ginger, fresh ginger. If you take dry powder of ginger, then you add it with dry ingredients. And finally, after adding wet and dry ingredients, I'll add grated apple to it. I'm going to add my wet ingredients to my dry ingredients. At this point of time, you might need a little amount of lukewarm milk. So once you start adding, you come to know whether you need it or not. We have now mixed our wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. I have added a very small amount of lukewarm milk. And finally, I am going to add my 1 apple to this. As I told you, we need to grate the apple, or you can use the apple sauce also. But I usually mix it with grated apple. I can feel the fragrance of my spices in it. And finally, before adding to the mold, I'll put my pistachios. I'll add them and few of my pistachios I'll add on the top. So now this is almost a pouring consistency, you can see that. I have taken this star mold as it is Christmas about to come. So for those Christmas vibes I have taken that. You can take any sort of mold for it, nothing mandatory. I will fill my mold to 3/4 as the cake will rise, and rest of the batter I'll use with the other mold. So now let's keep it in oven on 180 degree for something around 40 minutes. It's almost 35 minutes and our cake is done. I can feel the spices. So my apple cake is ready with the goodness of apples and spices and the crunchiness of pistachio. I'm going to enjoy it. You also bake it and enjoy it. And if you like my recipes, subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.